Okay children, today let us start our second semester. Okay, first chapter of second semester is multiplication. Do you know what is the meaning of multiplication? Yes, the repeated addition of the same number is multiplication. I shall make it understand by doing some examples. Okay, look here. For example, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Children, look here. How many 5s are there? 2 5s are there, no? So, let us write 2 5s are. 2 5s are 10. Both are same number. Okay? 5 plus 5, 10 means 2 5s are 10. Okay. Next, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Here, how many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3s are. Let us write 4 3s are. It is addition, it is multiplication. Okay, 4 3s are, yes, you have learned the table of 4. 4 3s are 12. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12. So, children, it is addition. The symbol of addition is plus. Then symbol of multiplication into. 2 into 5. How can we read then? 2 5s are. 2 5s are 10. What is its meaning? We have added the 5 2 times. Okay. So 2 5s are. Next, here we have added the 3 4 times. So 4 into 3. 4 3s are. 4 3s are 12. अगर हमें ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल याद है तो ये सेम नंबर्स का रिपीटेड एडिशन अवॉइड कर सकता है. ओके, ये तो बहुत ईजी है, बार बार प्लस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इफ़ इट इज़ सेम नंबर. ओके ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द relation between addition and multiplication on this number line. Okay, here on the page number 77 you can see a frog jumps. How is he jumps 2 steps? How many times? 7 times. 7 times jump करते हैं 2 numbers की line में. How can we do that? First start from 0. First 0 plus 2, 2. Okay, first 0 to 2. Next, after 2, 2 plus 2, 1 2, 4. So 2 plus 2, 4. Again he jumps forward 1 2. Next again he jumps 2 steps 1 2. Okay, again 1 2. Again 1 2, 1 2. 1 2. Now he has jumped how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. Yes, 7 jumps of 2 steps. 7 jumps of 2 steps. How can we write that? 7 into 2. He reached at 14. So 7 2s are 14. Children, in this chapter we have to learn the multiplication table 1 to 10. Okay? All of you should read each table 10 times. Thus, you have to learn or by heart the multiplication table 1 to 10. Okay? Okay, 7 2s are. Do you know the multiplication table of 7? Or 2? 7 2s are means 2 7s are. 2 7s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 2 7s are 14. So, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 14. How? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 7 times हम 2 को प्लस कर दे तो क्या मिलेगा? 14. 7 2s are 14. Okay. Let us do the exercise 1.1. Okay, page number 77. This is the question. Draw lines to show the gems. Fill in the blanks. What is written here? 8 gems of 2 steps. 2 steps की 8 gems. 2 steps की. So, what should we do? From 0 to 2. 0 से हाँ जंप करना कहाँ आ जाएगा? 2 steps आगे हैं. So, 2 तक आएगा. After 0, 1, 2. So, first jump 0 to 2. Next jump again हाँ 2 steps आगे जाना है. 1 2. Okay, 4. Again 2 steps. 1 2. Again 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. How many jumps? 8 jumps. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times jump किया है. एक और बार jump करना है. 1 2. Now 8 jumps are over. So we have reached at 16. Okay. So how can we write it? 8 jumps of 2 steps means 8 into 2. 8 into 2. 8 2s are. Now we have reached at 16 no? So we can say 8 jumps of 2 steps. कहाँ पहुँच जाएगा? At 16. So let us write 8 2s are 16. Okay. The next one, 6 jumps of 3 steps each. 6 jumps of 3 steps each. Let us do. Here 3 steps आगे तक jump करते हैं. Look, first 0 to 3. Then again 3 steps आगे. 1 2 3. So 3 to 6. How many times jump करना है? 6 times. Again 1 2 3. 6 to 9. Again 3 steps आगे. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Now how many jumps are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 jumps. Okay, 6 jumps. कहाँ आ गया 6 jump करके? 18. 3 steps की jump करते हैं तो 18 तक पहुँचते means 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are how many? 18. Okay, it is very easy, no? The third one, 3 jumps of 4 steps. 3 times jump करना है किसका 4 steps की jump. Okay, 3 jumps of 4 steps. 4 steps. How is that? Let us check. 4 steps का ना, so 0 to 4. First jump 0 to 4. Then 4 plus 4. How many 4 steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 8. 2 jump किया तो कहाँ तक पहुँच गए? At 8. Next again 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 jumps हो गया कहाँ पहुँच गए? Yes, at 12. So let us write 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Next one, 7 jumps of 5 steps. 7 jumps of 5 steps. Already you can see either 5 numbers की distance में लिखा हुआ है ना 0 5 5 plus 5 10. Already steps 5 steps की लिखा हुआ है. Only jump how many times? 7 times. First jump 0 to 5. Second jump 5 to 10. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. 7 jumps of 5 steps. We have reached that 35. So let us write 7 5s are 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. Okay. Did you get it now? All of you should do this exercise only on the book. Okay. On the page number 77, you have to complete this work. Okay. Next, take page number 78. Next, we are going to learn the multiplication table of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. How can we make the multiplication table? I shall say, look here. Here you can see a bunch of 2 cherries. Okay. So, how many 2s are there? Only 1, 2. So, let us write 1 time 2. It's meaning 1 time 2. 1 time 2 कितना है? Only 2. So, how can we write it? 1 into 2, 2. Okay. Next, how many bunches are there? Yes, 2 bunches of 2 cherries. So, let us write 2 times 2. How can we write it? 2 2s are 2 2s are कितना है? 1 2 3 4. 2 2s are 4. Next, here we can see 3 bunches. Okay. So 3 times 2. 3 times 2. मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल में कैसे आएगा? 3 2s are 3 2s are how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 2s are 6. Then here we can see 4 bunches. 1 2 3 4. 4 bunches, no? So let us write 4 times 2. 4 into 2, 2 4s are yes, total कितना है 8, so 4 2s are 8. Then here 5 bunches, no, 1 2 3 4 5 bunches of cherries. 5 times 2, 5 times 2 कितना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. सो टेबल में कैसे लिखते हैं अपन 5 2s are 10. ओके, अपन ये प्लस का 2 + 2 कितना है 4, 4 + 2 6, 6 + 2 yes 8, 8 + 2 10. ये बार बार प्लस करने की जरूरत है क्या? नो, ओनली दिस थिंग 5 times 2, 5 2s are 10. सो इस मैंने बोला है ये रिपीटेड एडिशन ऑफ द सेम नंबर को अवॉइड करने के लिए क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं? मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज़ कर सकता है. ओके ओके चिल्ड्रन, आपने तो ये दूसरे मेथड में टेबल लर्न करके रखा होगा. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. आप लोग 2 की टेबल लिखते तो 2 पहले लिखते हैं ना, पर ये भी करेक्ट है. आपको वो ईजी है तो वो लर्न करना, ठीक है, वो मेथड यूज़ करना. पर ये समझना है इसका मीनिंग क्या है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का मीनिंग क्या है, ये समझना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने ये समझा दिया. ओके, हियर बाकी ये पेजेस में आपको ये कंप्लीट करना है पूरा टेबल अप टू 5 यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, पेज नंबर 78 and 79 you can do that with the help of these pictures and this table. Okay.